Welcome back to Crypto Space. It's back with another Monad update for you guys. Monad right now sitting at 22 cent, just under 239 million in market cap, 55 million in 24-hour volume. Volume is down 16%. Now is a great time to take a look at Monad and dive into the Monad ecosystem, guys. Now is a great time because prices are down bad across the board. But as soon as Monad starts to move up again, the ecosystem starts to move up again. Will Monad move up again? It's no guarantees, but I think there's a high probability that it will. I dive into they could be potentially added to Grayscale's fund. You saw Eunice at the New York Stock Exchange talking about stablecoin adoption. You see TradFi investors buying Monad at 2 cents. You see their TVL increasing, their user, even though people aren't clicking on stuff like this, their users are up 70%. Like their number of people that was onboarded to Monad and using the chain is up 70%, right? So all of these stats, eventually price will follow, eventually, right? It might not be right away. This is crypto, right? Crypto, it feels like it's so difficult for a coin to go up where it's very easy for it to go down, right? That's what it feels like almost all the time, but we're still here. Because when they do go up, man, it is insane when they do start to go up, right? So that's why we're here. So, yeah, Monad in a great spot. We're going to just take a look at the ecosystem real quick. Dive into the ecosystem real quick, Chog right now at 1.4 mil. Everything in the Monad ecosystem at a great spot to buy. Chog at 1.4. Motion, which I recently mentioned, at 600K market cap. eMonad back to our entry at 320K market cap. We bought at 300K. Moncock is down bad right now. If you want to buy 1% of Moncock, you think Moncock is going to rise from the ashes from here, now is a good time to do it, right? Or if you just want to buy a million Moncock, that's $140 right now, right? Shrimp doing under 100K as well. Now is a good time to enter Shrimp, guys. These are the type of shakeouts that happen all the time. Project moves up, shakes out everybody. Everything's going good. Oh, we're so happy. Shake out. You think you're going to get rich in a day? Haha. This is crypto. Never. Not in a day. You have to be patient. Well, where CZ Binance says, if you don't hold, you won't be rich. Right? So, unit as well, down to 41K, right? So, now's a good time, man. Just go to Deck Screener. Right? And let me show you guys how you find all the Monad memes, right? So just pull up Deck Screener, right? And then you're gonna see on the left side Solana, Binance, Base, Ethereum, Polygon. These are all the chains. You're gonna see Monad, and then it's gonna show you all the coins that are on Monad here. So now is a good time to scoop up coins in the ecosystem, in my opinion, right? And again, I showed you guys the image from nad.fun, right? I'm just going on what nad.fun are positioned in. I am going to copy trade the launch pad. I'm going to copy trade the launch pad, right? You see right here, motion is inevitable. Okay, so I bought some motion. If they're bull posting it, I'm gonna buy some motion, right? But you go scroll down into nad.fun. These are the memes that they're positioned that have the most potential. No guarantees, right? Compared to buying Monad. Monad has more chance of success because this is the L1 chain. The memes are more gambles, right? More high risk, high reward trades, right? But as you can see right here, it's a meme. Are you winning, son? And you got a milady in a what looks like a challenger, right? I think that's a challenger. It's a challenger. And I should. Why am I looking this up? I just want to see if I'm right or not, right? Because I'm not a car guy. I don't really. Yeah, so it does look like a challenger, right? A blue challenger, right? That's what it looks like. So, so I was right. But yeah, you see they have Shrimp, eMonad, Chog, Moncock, and Motion, right? So those are the 5 you should have positions in. If you want to, just pick a favorite one, you could do that. You could also pick a favorite one. I think when Monad starts to move up, just like we saw the memes move up when Monad was moving up before, it's going to happen again when Monad starts moving up again. But clearly they're gonna be winners. There's going to be faster horses, and there's going to be ones that take off more, right? So the best bets are these ones that you see from nad.fun, in my opinion. So As always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. I appreciate all the support that you guys are giving to the channel. The viewership is doing much and much better. Imagine this. The viewership for crypto as a whole on all platforms is at its 2021 lows. Nobody's here, but you're here. And that's why you will make it, right? So thank y'all again so much. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. I'll catch you in the next one.